Good morning, students. Welcome to New Era Global School online teaching class. Today, we are going to revise some of the extra questions. Okay, chapter number 8 Circulatory and Excretory System. Chapter number 9 Reproduction in Animals. Chapter number 10 Animals, Types and Adaptation. And 11th chapter Force, Energy and Work. So some of the extra questions we are going to revise in this video. Okay. First, we will see the 8th chapter Circulatory and Excretory System. So choose the correct option. First question. Which of the following is a part of the circulatory system? Kidney, bloods, ureter and urinary bladder. Okay. So kidney, ureters and urinary bladder. They are the part of the excretory system. Only the blood is the part of circulatory system. Second question. Which of the following carries the blood to the heart? So, which will carry the blood to the heart? Arteries, veins, capillaries. So, among these, which carries the blood to the heart? It is called as a veins. So, the veins carry the blood to the heart. Third one, which organ is located in the chest slightly to the left? It is called as heart. Heart is the organ located in the chest slightly to the left. Fourth one, what carries urine to the urinary bladder? Okay. What carries urine to the urinary bladder? It is called as an ureters. Okay, the ureter carry the urine to the urinary bladder. And then fifth one, what flows to the ureter? Ureter में what will be flowing? It is called as urine. Urine flows through the ureters. And then next one, fill in the blanks. Blood carries dash and other waste substance to those parts where that they are removed from the body. So what the blood will carry? Air or carbon dioxide? Blood will carry the carbon dioxide. Okay. And then second one, the urine is removed from the urinary bladder through the tube called dash. So the option is kidney and urethra. So underline the word urethra. Third one, the three type of blood vessels are dash, arteries and veins and dash. So the option is capillaries and ureters. Ureter, it is not a type of blood vessel. So the answer is said to be capillaries. Fourth one, capillaries connect dash to the veins. So the capillaries will connect the arteries to the veins. Okay. And then give two examples for the following. First one, excretory organs. Excretory organs का two examples, kidneys and lungs. You can write urinary bladder also or skin also. And then organs of the urinary system. You have to write the two names of the urinary system, ureter and urinary bladder. Third one, waste removed from the sweat. Okay, waste removed from the sweat. That is some salt and harmful substance. And then fourth one, substance carried by blood. So substance that carries by the blood, it is called oxygen and carbon dioxide. And then name the following. Okay, first one, the thin tubes. that form a network to transport the blood from different body parts. What is the thin tube? The thin tube, it is called the blood vessels. Okay. And then second one, the organ that removes the carbon dioxide while breathing out. So which organ will remove the carbon dioxide? It is called lungs. Third one, the blood vessels that connect the arteries to veins. Okay, the blood vessels that connect arteries to veins, it is called capillaries. Okay, and then fourth one, the organ that filters the blood to remove the waste materials. Okay, it is called kidney. Which organ will remove the waste materials? Namely the kidney. Fifth one, a pair of tubes that carry the urine from kidneys to urinary bladder. So it is called ureters. Okay, it is a pair of tubes that carry the urine from kidneys to urinary bladder. It is called ureters. And then come to the 9th chapter, reproduction in animals. First one, give two examples. That is stages in the life cycle of a frog. और stages में 4 are there. You can write any 2. I have written egg and tadpole. And then second, stages in the life cycle of a chicken. चिकन का भी 4 stages होती है. So I have written 2, egg and hatching. Okay. Third one, parts of an egg. So parts of the egg में 3 parts are there. Egg white, yolk and albumin. So I have written yolk and albumin. Fourth one, viviparous animal. So you can write any example. I have written human beings and monkeys. And then fifth one, nutrients present in the yolk. What are the nutrients present in the yolk? Namely the carbohydrates and vitamins. And then name the following. First one, the yellow part of the egg which contains the embryo. Okay, the yellow part of the egg which contains the embryo, it is called yolk. Second one, the process by which a fully developed young one emerges from an egg. It is called hatching. Third one, animals that typically reproduce by giving birth feed their young ones with their own milk and have hair on their bodies. It is called mammals. Fourth one, the process of periodically growing a new skin and shredding the old skin. It is called molting. And then fifth one, worm-like larvae that hatch out of the butterfly eggs. It is called a caterpillar. Okay. And then fill in the blanks. The young chick eventually grows into an adult dash. So the young chick will be growing into the hen. Second one, frog lay eggs in dash. Where the frog will lay the eggs? Mainly in the water. And then they hatches into a tadpole. Third one, mammals breathe through dash. The mammals will be breathing through the lungs. And then give two examples for the following. First one, excretory organs. Excretory organs का 2 examples, kidneys and lungs. You can write urinary bladder also or skin also. And then organs of the urinary system. You have to write the two names of the urinary system. Ureter and urinary bladder. Third one, waste removed from the sweat. Okay, waste removed from the sweat. That is some salt and harmful substance. And then fourth one, substance carried by blood. So substance that carries by the blood, it is called oxygen and carbon dioxide. And then true or false? Fishes live in moist place or near water to keep their bodies from dying out. So it is called as a false. Second one, birds have their wings, four limbs that are modified to form the wings. Yes, the four limbs are modified into the wings. So the statement is true. Third one, parasites have strong teeth to break the bones of dead animals. So it is called as a false. So parasites are the insects. They will live inside the body. So the statement is a false. Fourth one, snake have limbs. So snakes, they do not have the limbs. So the statement is false. And then fill in the blanks. A camel stores dash in the hump to break down and use the energy when needed. So the camel stores the fat. Okay, mainly the camel stores fat in its hump. Second question. Polar bear have thick dash on their bodies to keep them warm. So the polar bear have the thick fur. Okay, they have the thick fur on their bodies to keep them warm. Third one, fish have dash that help them to breathe under the water. So fishes have the gills. Okay, they have the gills on their body to breathe under the water. Okay, and then give two examples for the following. So mammals का two example, that is whale, bat, human beings, then cow, dog, anything you can write. And then second, animals that live in very cold places. Okay, animals that live in very cold places, polar bear and arctic foxes. Third one, animals that hibernate. So which animals will hibernate? Example, bats and squirrels. Okay. And then name the following. First one, animals that live both on land as well as in water. So they are called amphibians. Second one, animals that feed their young with their own milk. So they are called mammals. Okay. Then 11th chapter, force, energy and work. Choose the correct option. First one. It is not to choose the correct option, just strike it. It is given in your worksheet. Sorry, it is given in your worksheet. So check your worksheet and get the answer. Among all the four, which is not a source of energy? Namely, the electricity is not a source of energy. So bottle opener, it is an example of lever. Third one, we get this energy from moving water. It is called hydro energy. Okay. Then true or false. Greasing the parts of machines which are in contact help to increase the friction. So it is called as true. So to increase the friction, we will grease the machines. So the statement is true. Second one, gravity is an example of contact force. So the statement is said to be the false. Third one, bottle openers and claw hammers work as a pulley. So the statement is said to be false. Fourth one, an inclined plane. It is a simple machine used for holding the objects together. So it is a false. Fifth one, energy is an ability to do work. Yes, the statement is true. And then fill in the blanks. First one, dash allows us to hold the pencil or a book. So it is called as a friction. Friction allows us to hold the pencil or a book. Second one, dash moves the blade of the windmill. Wind or water. From the wind, we will get the wind help us to move the windmill. Third one, dash system can be used to lower the blinds or windows. So it is called as a pulley. Fourth one, when a screw is rotated dash, it will move forward. When the screw is rotated clockwise, it will move forward. And then fourth one, energy from the sun is called dash. So energy from the sun, it is called as a solar energy. And then give two examples for the following. First one, fuel. Fuel ka two example, coal and gas. Then source of energy, sun, water and wind. Lever ka two example, pair of scissors and hammers. Then fourth, wedges ka two example, knife and axe. And then name the following. The tool that is used to do the work easily, quickly and using less energy. It is called as a simple machines. Second one, the force that pulls the object down towards the center of the earth. It is called a gravity. Third one, a force that acts when two objects are not in contact with each other. It is called a non-contact force. Okay students, this is your thing. Now I am giving two activities to you. You have to complete this activity. Okay, वो तो revision questions है. So this is an activity. Now see habitat matching. What is this? It is called as an habitat matching. Now see the columns here. Label the habitats. First one desert. So desert will come under the camel. Okay. Rainforest will come under the regions. Savanna regions, that is one line is there. That is called as a savanna region. And then taiga. Taiga is a place. Snow on ice. The polar bear is there. Right. And then tundra region. Tundra region is said to be the gorilla. And then wetland, this paddy and mice. So you have to, by using the clue word, you have to match this habitat. Okay. And then second one, it is said to be the type of invertebrates. So इसमें मैंने clue words भी दिया है. नीचे word bank है, उसमें भी answer is there. You have to correct the answer properly and then you have to match. Okay, this is up to your activity. So complete this activity properly and then you have to submit during the PA2 submission. Okay students. So up to this one your PA2 revision has been completed. So chapter number 8, chapter number 9, 10 and 11. So all these chapters revision has been done. Again go through these activities, revision questions, worksheets, extra questions, textual questions, everything. Each and everything should be completed. Okay, students? We will see you tomorrow. Thank you. Third one. So these diagrams